While our last video was a little chaotic, we are getting closer and closer to taking the van back on the road.
You may be wondering, what's going on with your bed? We're wondering that too.
Building a van is a mixture of fun,
building walls and sweating,
spending all your money, and making plenty of mistakes.
I messed up!
But it's all worth it in the end.
We're not having these on the floor, we're raising them up. So I've cut around it before it's been raised. Now there's a big hole in it and it cost me 50 quid.
This is the height where it should be.
You f***ing donuts.
And while that dries,
We're going to cut this bit of wood into 4 bits of 500mm. We're going to use them as the feet as the cabinets to raise them up, and we can have storage underneath. Let's do it. Whoa! Got ya. You're safe. Good glue that. The worktops that we have in currently aren't the ones we're going with. They are ones that we picked up from the Nothing Goes to Waste at IKEA, and we decided against them. We like the idea of the lighter woods. The batteries came, batteries come, the battery's here is what I meant. It's a beast, quite literally the beast. I'm going to be working on a little project today. I'm going to be doing the wall divider between the bathroom and the kitchen. I want to put little inserts for either a spice rack or washed up liquid on one side, and then on the other side I want to put a little insert for where the toilet roll is going to be, so when we're showering it's not going to get wet. I don't know, I'm rambling, so I'm just going to shut up and cue the montage. We're going to do the same again on the other side, so we're just going to... Whoa!
We finally got our new battery, which is very exciting. The thing is an absolute beast. It weighs a ton, 50 kilograms. Not quite a ton, but it feels like it. Anyway, so right now my job is going to be to make the frame to hold the battery up above the wheel arch behind me. For this I'm going to be using angled steel, fasten the battery down to the frame. Let's do this! I've got that all tacked up now. I might have to grind the tack off here and pull this corner out a little bit. So I've readjusted that, but the problem is there's a fairly big gap on the corner at the end. I'm going to try my best to fill it. Right, let's see if this fits. I need something to stand on to be taller. Base frame is done. I mean, kind of. I've still got to grind some of the welds up so the battery fits in nice, but the battery fits. Now I'm going to start making the feet for the side that's not sitting on the wheel arch to sit on the floor.
What idiot put screws down? That idiot's me. That idiot is me.